Welcome! The objective of this video is to provide a brief tutorial on how to add, delete, and adjust your NeuralSeek instance through the NeuralSeek AWS Instance Control interface. This is a very simple process. Open your NeuralSeek Instance Control and find yourself on the UI. To create a new instance, you'll see the Create Instance button on the upper right side of the screen. I'll choose my region that I want to be in and click plus to create the instance. Now we can add users and edit the instance as we please. For example, I'm going to add a user to this instance by clicking the plus sign on the right side of the screen under the search bar. Click the existing user that you want to add to the instance, and then you're all good to go. Users can also be removed from instances, as seen here. Users have the ability to also rename their instance with the edit button next to the trash icon on the right side of the screen. If users wish to share this instance, they can copy a link to their clipboard, like so. And finally, users can destroy their instance by clicking the trash icon on the right side of the screen. And that's it. You now know how to adjust your instances on the NeuralSeek AWS control. You're one step closer to becoming a NeuralSeek expert.